Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be making dream pie and showing you why this is the easiest pie you'll ever make. Only 4 ingredients. My secret recipe is coming up. Stay tuned. So I put the pie in the fridge for a couple hours so it's nice and settled in, and now we can decorate it. And the good thing about decorating these pies, you can dress it up however you want to. I have a little cherry pie filling here, and I also have some fresh strawberries. So let's get it going. It doesn't get any easier than that. 4 ingredients, about 10 minutes of prep, let it chill, and you in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Don't be shy, give your girl a like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.